students, welcome to online class of math of class 3. So students, we have started the chapter for multiplication. So today we are going to do checkpoint 4.1. So let's start. So student, open page number 63 of your book. See here multiplying by 7. So you have to come to know before we start 4.1, we have to come to know about how we multiplying by 7. So see how many stars are there. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are 7 stars in 3 groups. 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups. So 3 groups and 7 stars are present in 3 groups. So here see asking number of groups. So how many groups? We have already known that how many groups? 3. So here 3. Number of stars in a group. So we count it. How many stars? Tell me. In each group how many stars? Yes, it will be 7. So here 7. Now repeated addition is asking. So student, we have already know that multiplication is done by the repeated addition of the number. जो रिपीटेड एडिशन होता है नंबर का उसी से ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है. तो अब देखो, अब रिपीटेड एडिशन हो रहा है तो हाउ मेनी 7 here 7, then next 7, then next 7. That means 7 plus 7 plus 7. So here 7 plus 7 plus 7. So this will be your repeated addition. Now multiplication fact. So student, we have already learned in the previous class that multiplication fact is number of groups into number in each group. That means number of groups, how many number of groups and how many number are present in each group. So number of group is 3. So here 3, this 3 group. So 3 and number in each group. So how many number? 7. So here 7. So 3 into 7 equal to 21. So how many total star? Total star is 21. So this is how we multiply by 7. Now see here given 7 times table, you have given table of 7. So student, you have to learn the table of 7. See, count the beads in each necklace and build the 7 times table. So you have to build the 7 times table by counting beads. So see here how many necklace? Here 1 necklace. And how many beads in 1 necklace? There are 7 beads in 1 necklace. So here 1 into 7 equal to 7. So 1 times 7 is 7. So we say that 1 sevens are 7. Now here see how many necklace? 2 necklace. And in 2 necklace 7 beads in each necklace. So 2 into 7 bits. So 7, 2 into 7 equal to 14. So 2 times 7 is 14. So student, now in the same way here 3. So and 7 bits in each necklace. So 3 into 7 equal to 21. 3 times 7 is 21. So we read 3 sevens are 21. Now in the same way 4 necklace. So 4 into 7 equal to 28. 4 times 7 is 28. And 4 sevens are 28. And here 5 necklace. So 5 into 7 equal to 35 and 5 times 7 is 35. So 7 5s are 5 sevens are 35. So 35. Now 6 necklace. So 6 into 7 equal to 42 and 6 times 7 is 42. 6 sevens are 42. Now 7 necklace. So 7 into 7 equal to 49. So 7 times 7 is 49. That means 7 sevens are 49. Now 8 necklace and 7 bits in each necklace. So 8 into 7 equal to 56 and 8 times 7 is 56. Now 9 into 7 equal to 63. So 9 times 7 is 63. Now 10 necklace. So 10 into 7 equal to 70. 10 times 7 is 70. And we read it 10 sevens are 70s. So this is your table of 7. So you have to learn it. Now let us start our checkpoint 4.1. So student, your checkpoint 4.1. Number 1 is multiply. So but before we start multiply, student, you learn in the previous class how to multiply two-digit number with one digit. So you have already learned it in class 2 in your previous class. So let's start how we multiply it. We will do like that in this also. So see, 5 sevens are 35, 35 का 5 कैरी गया 3, 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 3 24. So here answer is 245. Now B1C 67 into 7. So 7 sevens are 49. So 49 का 9 और कैरी गया 4, 6 sevens are say how many? 42. 42 plus 4, 46. So our answer is 469. Now C1C 83 into 7. So 7 3 sevens are 21. 21 का 1 कैरी गया 2. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 2 58. So our answer is 581. Now D number C 98 into 7. So 8 sevens are how much? 56. 56 का 6 कैरी गया 5. 9 sevens are, see, 9 sevens are how much? Tell me. 63. So 63 plus 5 68. So our answer is 686. Now E1 54 into 7. So 4 sevens are 28. Carry gaya 2. 5 sevens are 35. 35 plus 2 37. Our answer is 378. Now F1C 36 into 7. So 6 sevens are 42. Carry gaya 4. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 4 25. So our answer is 252. Now see next question. Here given compare using less than, equal to or greater than. So see here A number 7 plus 7 dash 7 into 7. So student, you know that 7 plus 7 is 14 and 7 sevens are 49. So which one is greater than? 49 is greater than. So 14 is less than 49. So here therefore 7 plus 7 is less than 7 into 7. Now see B1 0 into 7 and 7. So 0 into 7 is 0. So which one is? Yes, 0 is less than 7. Now next 0 plus 7 7 and here is also 7. So 7 and 7 is equal to. So 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. Now D1 1 into 7 and dash equal to 7. So 1 sevens are 7. So equal to both are here also 7 and here. So equal to. So 1 into 7 is equal to 7. Now E1 7 into 7 and 77 is given here. So 7 sevens are 49 and here 77. So which one is? Yes, 49 is less than 77. Now F number 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14 and here given 77. So which one is greater? 77 is greater. So 14 is less than 77. So this one be your second question number second. So now see question number 3 complete. Here given 6 weeks. A equal to 6 weeks equal to dash days. So we know that 1 week equal to, so student, we know that 1 week equal to 7 days. So here 6 weeks. So we multiply 6 into 7. So what we get? 6 sevens are 42. So this will be your answer, 42 days. That means 6 weeks equal to 42 days. Now number B 9 weeks. So again 1 day equal to 1 week equal to 7 days. So we will multiply 9 weeks. So we will multiply 9 into 7. So what we get? 63. So 9 weeks equal to 63 days. So this is your number 3. Now number 4. There are 35 stamps in a packet. How many total stamps will be there in 7 such packets? So what is telling that in one packet there are 35 stamps. How many stems? 35 stems. And so we have to find out how many total stems are present in 7 such packets. मतलब 7 पैकेट में, एक पैकेट में अगर 35 स्टेम्स है तो 7 ऐसे पैकेट में टोटल कितने स्टेम्स होंगे. तो देखो क्या हम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे 35 इंटू 7. सो नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो 5 7 ज़ा 35, 5 रखा, कैरी ले गए 3, 7 3 ज़ा 21, 21 प्लस 3 24. So how many total stem? 245 total stems in 7 packets. कितना है? 245 stems है 7 packets में. वाह. So student, we have completed checkpoint 4.1. हम लोगों ने checkpoint 4.1 complete कर लिया है. अब you have to write this checkpoint 4.1 in your copy. So स्टूडेंट जो checkpoint 4.1 है उसको अपने मैथ कॉपी में करो. और इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डू checkpoint 4.2. हमारे नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग checkpoint 4.2 करेंगे.